In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2016 Scion IM. This is the OEM engine air filter that I bought from a Toyota dealership. Here's the part number. So first thing you want to do is pop the hood, head over to the air filter box, and you want to release two clips. One right here, the second one in the back. And then release the box upwards. Here is the old filter. So let's go pop in the new one. Okay, here is the new filter. Now for a point of reference, this more square edge, as it's the only square edge of the filter, this will go in on this corner right here. So the filter will be basically going in like this. It'll be setting this face upwards, or in this orientation. So just have that as a point of reference when you insert the filter. As you can see, that pointed edge is right there, so this is how the filter should look when you put it inside. Alright, once you close the lid to the air intake box, that you want to make sure that these hinges line up correctly, and then snap the two metal clips, which are right there. And the air filter itself might shift around when you're trying to finagle this, because it is a little bit of a pain to actually seat correctly, but once it actually does seat, then and once you put the clips in, that it'll, get in there nice and tight. Alright, hopefully that video helped, and thanks for watching.